The Doogee S200X versus the Cubot KingKong X Pro. Which of these two 5G rugged beasts is equipped with the best specs? Well, in this video, we'll be comparing the top specs of both devices. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go, guys, the KingKong X Pro versus the S200X. Which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.